Capture that. Well, let's get this day going. Welcome, Red Cloud Freeman. All right, morning project. Lowe's got a fulfillment order for some barbecue grills. Let's go in here and see what we got. Early, early, early. Who gets the first worm? The first bird. Early bird gets the first worm. All right. Today in assembly. Let's see what we got going today at Lowe's. Get with you in a minute. Appliance department. Oh, how we miss our appliances. Master technician. Appliance repair. I used to do installations for Home Depot and Lowe's. Residential repair and commercial repairs. But since we having these problems with parts, we are not doing that at this time. Got to be versatile, resourceful. Oh, I do miss my appliances. Can we get a moment of silence, please? Not a dead industry. Just unfortunately, we become so advanced for ourselves that we put ourselves in a serious rut. Everything's electronic. And without electronics, we can't repair these. Most likely control boards, most likely digital displays. But anyway, let's go look at some other installations. We'll get back with this in a while. All right, we're making our way to the assembly area. Real quick and brisk, like early morning, a lot of excitement. I understand there's like 4 grills, and so it should be down here at the end. And here we are, staged and ready to go. We have some customer builds here for Lowe's fulfillment orders. Weber, I don't know what name brand. This is a professional grill. This is a really good design. I want to get this design myself. And then Weber, 2 professional grills, 1 Weber, and a charbroil performer, gas, and 2 of those. All right, so let's get them out the box. We'll start with this one first and get these assembled for these wonderful customers. Thank you for your purchase. Midday report. 2 grills down. Professional gas grill. Lowe's customer. Pay for assembly. Weber Spirit. 2 down and 2 more to go. Day in assembly. And so now I just have these 2 to do. A little more complicated, so I save these 2 for last, so I can take my time. Especially this one right here. And then this one. I think I'll do this one and then I'll do this one last. Day in assembly. Come get your grills. Beautiful summertime, spring to summer. Nothing to it but to do it. Make sure all your trash is always neat and organized. All your styrofoam is in the box. All your plastics and styrofoam kept together, and cardboard's kept together. Most importantly, that is the most important thing. Keep all your trash together. Another day done in assembly. Retail, large big box assembly of products. Grills, bikes, tool tables, wheelbarrows. I'll have to admit, I've been doing this for about less than 6 months, going on 90 days, past 90 days. And so, progress report, very satisfied with my builds, very satisfied with the different stores, the different environments. Everything's always a change. Nothing's never the same. It's just as soon as you get tired of doing bikes, you'll have something different to do. Change of pace. No problems today. Everything came together just well, except for, well, always a little something. Got a panel that was damaged in box. We'll just replace it with a new one. So this customer who purchased this grill now has a new grill with no damages. The bottom panel was damaged, I guess, and somehow this panel got damaged, shipping or handling or whatever the case may be. So customers purchase, assembled, all complete, and all they have to do is come pick it up. Another day in assembly. Quality built. Fast pace, repetition. I will have to say these are nice grills. Might want to pick me up one. I do have my eye on one design, but I'll wait for that one. Yeah, these are nice. Well, until next time, keep a positive attitude. Enjoy the summer. A lot of patio furnituring, bikes, wheelbarrows, wherever you may need. Home Depot, Lowe's, and all your other stores.